Good morning, dear children. Today we'll continue with lesson 10 of EVS, that is Neighbourhood Services. In the previous class, I gave you an introduction of this lesson. I also told you about market and bus stand. Today I'll tell you about some more useful neighbourhood services. Okay? So pay attention and listen carefully. So first, I'll tell you about school. Children, you all go to school. Can you tell me why do you go to school? What do you do in school? Yes? What will you say? You will say, ma'am, we study in our school. Right? Yes, a school is a place for studies. Now children, young children go to a kindergarten or a play school. Here is a picture of a play school in front of you. They learn rhymes and they play many games over there. They also learn many good habits over there. It means in a play school. Okay? So young children go to a play school. Now children, next I'll tell you about primary school. You all study in a primary school. Children between 5 to 11 years go to a primary school. In a primary school, they learn to read and write. They also learn more about the world in a primary school. Okay? Now children, next I'll tell you about secondary school. After you finish primary school, you go to a secondary school. It means after you finish studying in a primary school, then you go to a secondary school for your higher studies. Okay? So, after finishing primary school, children go to secondary school for higher studies. Here is a picture of a secondary school in front of you. Now children, next I'll tell you about college. Students who finish higher classes in school, they go to college or university to study further. I'm sure you also must be having your brother or sister or your cousins who go to a college or university to study, right? Now children, therefore we should have schools and colleges in our neighborhood because children go to study over there. Okay? So it is a very useful neighborhood service. Now children, have a look at this picture. What can you see? Places of worship. A neighborhood also has different places of worship. Different people go to different places to pray. You have already studied about places of worship in detail, right? Hindus go to temples to pray. Muslims go to mosques to pray. Sikhs go to gurudwaras to pray. Christians go to churches to pray. Okay? So, a neighborhood has different places of worship. Now children, have a look at this picture. What can you see? It is a hospital, right? Now children, when you get injured or when you fall sick, then where do you go? You go to a hospital or to a doctor. Yes, you find a doctor in a hospital. A doctor is trained to treat and cure us. Whenever there is emergency and you don't have vehicle with you but you want to rush to a hospital, then you can call an ambulance by dialing 102. An ambulance can come and it can take the patient to the hospital for treatment. Okay? The doctor gives us treatment and medicines for a sickness or injury. Sometimes we also get admitted to a hospital when we are very much sick. Over there, the doctors and nurses look after us till we are well again. Okay? Now children, what can you see in this picture? What will you say? It is a post office. Children, we use post office for sending letters and parcels. A letter is posted in a post box. Where is a letter posted? It is posted in a post box. Okay? The letter then goes to the post office where all the letters are collected and sorted. Then the letter is sent to the city or village mentioned in the address written on it. Okay? A letter always has an address written on it. Okay? The postman delivers the letters to the mentioned addresses. Okay? We also send money orders through the post office, children. A postmaster is the head of a post office. Okay? Now children, next I'll tell you about police station. So here is a picture of a police station. Children, a police station is a place where we go to seek help against any crime. Whenever anything wrong is done to us, then we can go to a police station. In a police station, you will find a policeman. A policeman keeps us safe by maintaining law and order in the neighborhood. He also catches thieves and he protects us. We can call for immediate police help by dialing the number 100 100. Okay? Now children, a neighborhood may also have a number of other places like a bank, a restaurant and a cinema hall. Okay? So children, neighborhood services are very important for living an easy and safe life. So here we finish with lesson 10 of EVS. I hope children you have understood the lesson nicely. Thank you.